Hello friends! Today we're gonna be trying another origami model. Let's fold these beautiful and practical origami box. This is a traditional way of making a box and I think everyone should know this model because it's so useful and beautiful. I often use them for a gift box and also to organize my desk. So for this you need 2 sheets of paper. And this is 6-inch 15cm paper. And obviously if you use bigger paper, you can make a bigger box. So without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, this is all you need to make the origami box. 2 sheets of square paper. This is not a must, but it's nice to have a glue. Okay, so we are going to start with the bottom box. Let's get started. First, we're going to fold the paper in half from the bottom edge to the top edge. Line up the edges and make the fold at the bottom. This crease you want to make it really sharp. Unfold, turn it, and repeat. Again, nice and sharp. Unfold and flip the paper over. Now let's fold the paper in half, this time point to point diagonally. And make the fold at the bottom. And repeat for the other side. Press down the middle and out to the edges. Great. Let's open it up. And we made all these creases. Now let's fold all the 4 corners into the center. So let's start this one with this one. Bottom point to the center. And repeat, turn it. Okay, line each edges up. All the points meet at the center. Okay, last one. Great. Now we're going to fold both edges into the center crease. Okay, and this crease is very important. Okay, give it very sharp crease. Rotate the model and repeat. Okay, line up nicely and very sharp crease. Okay, great. So let's open this up, the bottom and the top. So now this is how the model looks like. Let's turn it this way. And now we're going to fold both bottom and top edges into the center crease. Just hold this flap and take the bottom edge to the middle. And crease. And I like to rotate it because it's easier for me. Then repeat the same thing, bottom to the center. The key is to make each crease nice and sharp. Okay, so let's turn it, unfold here, unfold. Okay, these flaps down, and so these flaps are gonna be the wall of the box. Okay, so now I want you to have a look at this diagonal crease. We are going to push this crease inward. So what happens is this side stands up like this, and just follow the crease and tuck the top part in. There you go. Let's turn it and repeat. Again, this diagonal crease, push them in like this. Then fold the top down. Perfect. There you have it. The bottom box is complete. Now we're gonna make this one more, and it's gonna be the lid. So the steps are almost exactly the same. There is a couple of differences, so please follow me. Again, fold it in half, bottom to the top. Very sharp crease here. Unfold, rotate, and fold it in half again. Very sharp crease. Unfold, flip this over. Let's place it like this time and fold diagonally, point to point. Okay, both ways. Open this up and fold all the four corners into the center point. Rotate one step at a time. Okay, now all the four corners meet at the center. Next step is a little bit different. So we're gonna fold both bottom and top edges into the center, but this time we are going to leave a small gap like this, just below the center crease. We wanna have small gap and crease. This crease is very important, keep it sharp. By making a little gap here, we are making this box slightly bigger than the last one. Okay, let's repeat. Again, leave a small gap, just about the same, and crease well. sharp crease here. Now open this up. Rotate and fold bottom and top edges into the center. This side also we will keep small gap. Just below the center crease, just leave a small gap and make the fold at the bottom. So just about the same. Rotate and repeat. Okay. Great. Perfect. Now we're going to turn it. So this is the side walls. And let's push these diagonal creases inward. So the flap tucked in, these points meet at the center, and you can collapse this flap and then fold the top part inside. Perfect. Rotate and repeat. Okay, great. Let's give it another crease here. There are lots of paper. So this is the lid. This is the bottom. It looks exactly the same. And here I would like to use a glue just to secure these flaps so they will sit nicely. So I just put little glue in the center like this, and point to point, point to point, all 4 points meet at the center, and that's it. Same thing here. Let's lift these flaps up. Just glue in the center. Make sure these points do not overlap and they meet at the center. Perfect. So let's see how they fit. So this is the lid. So it should be slightly bigger than the bottom. Okay. Perfect. Perfect size. How did it go, everyone? So today we have made a traditional paper box, and this is 6-inch square paper, 15 centimeter square paper, but you can make a smaller box, bigger box, and you can be creative with the color combinations too. So hope you have fun with it. Enjoy making a couple more. Thank you so much for following my instruction. I hope to see you next time. どうもありがとう。Bye for now.